How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jennifer. For the new, thank you guys for tuning in. Yes, I'm in a ride, guys, and I don't know what this video is gonna be about, but I needed to make an intro here, so stay tuned for the video, fam.
Heart on fire, set my heart afire.
Is that a Supra? Ah, beautiful. Carbon fiber, yeah, buddy. Alright, fam, so this video is gonna be about two types of cars, different type of cars. We're talking about JDM and American muscle cars. First, we're going to talk about the 2018 ZL1 Camaro. It's from a good friend of mine I met in a Brook Boys meet. You guys will see a little review over it and a little talk and walkthrough around it pretty much. Before we start the video, fam, I also want to add that honestly, I never second look at a Camaro. I was mostly into Challengers, Mustangs, not that much for their history they have. Like, this Camaro really blew my mind, you know, stock 650, you know, horsepower, wheel horsepower, that's insane. And you can just get it for under $100,000, so I mean, that's pretty insane. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Here, guys, I met him a couple days ago, I think it was last week. This is a Camaro ZL1. Owner's really cool, follow him on IG. His IG's over here, ZL1 over here, fam. There's no tune in this car yet, according to the owner, but from what we talk, hey, what's up, bro? There you go, there it is. What's up, man? Glad you can make it, bro. Let's make it, bro. I was just talking about your car. You say it has 700 horsepower. What's up, man?
Yeah, just about. Well, it should anywhere from 650 to 700.
700. That's just stock. With
that should. Well, it's got the intake.
Got the intake now. Yeah.
That would just be whatever it is. It's not going to be not to the wheels. Cause that's just whatever factory is. So I don't know what's going to the wheels.
Do a little rev, see if you can get it. A little rev. Woo. And that's pretty much stock, close to 700 horsepower, 650, pretty much.
Anywhere from, well, stock comes 650, but it's got the intake, so between 650 to 700, whatever it is stock.
And this is just a ZL1 Camaro. Damn. I was loud, bro.
Yeah, that's all stock. I can put it on private. I put it on like quiet mode.
Okay.
So like if I see cops or something, where I'm gonna turn it on. That's fine. Yeah, that's cool. If I put it on like if I like see a cop that's sitting next to me, I'll be like, let me just go ahead and switch this to quiet mode. So I turn it on, doesn't get super loud.
Okay. And that comes with the car too.
Yeah, it comes like that. You can put it on silent mode to make sure no one can see it. Wow, that's crazy. Because that'd be really, really bad.
I don't think a lot of people know about this. Yeah. That's good, yeah. I mean,
I have to, because then they're like, let's look under the hood, and I'm like, oh shit, man, it's not legal.
You got the big cone there.
So I gotta like bring it down a little bit.
It's insane. You got the big cone there. And this car comes stock supercharged, right?
Yeah.
They have
and everything on it. I haven't done anything to it. It's all just the. Here, come on, everybody.
Yeah.
The arrow, everything on it is stock.
Aerodynamic, yeah. The carbon fiber lip too.
Like I think I told you before, yeah. Maneuvering, it beat the GTR.
Damn. I don't think a lot of people know about this, you know, because people just.
The new GTR that's coming out, that's gonna crush this. I mean, it's not gonna touch it.
Yeah. Damn,
that's the stock. It's like something like 650 or something coming out, a new one, all-wheel drive.
Damn, yeah. The traction's gonna be different.
But at least this had it for a while.
Yeah. How much did this car go for?
New or used?
New, I think. How much does it go?
New, you can get one for like I think anywhere from 80 to 90,000, depending on markup. I got it used with only 5,000 miles at the time, so I was like, sweet. But now it's
still brand new. Yeah.
Yeah, but now it's stupid expensive because of like the low with the inflation and everything else, and like they're not making many Camaros because they can't get everything to make it.
Damn.
So it's even more expensive now. It's almost the same price as a new car now.
That's crazy. The stock super. That's crazy. That's almost 650. So that's just stock. I feel like, yeah, not a lot of people know about this. You know, a lot of people just yeah. It's crazy. This is the Camaro ZL1, guys. Oh, the interior. This is all stock.
Yeah, except for just the carbon accents on the wheel.
Okay. It's insane. It's pretty spacious too. It's not missing. It's just spacious. It's not. Yeah. It's not like one of those. You know. Damn. It's not like those sport cars where like, you know, you're all crowded. No, it's spacious.
Spacious except for the back seat, but
no. But I mean,
it doesn't need that much room.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, definitely. This is stock lights too.
Oh yeah, that's all stock. You can change the color and all that, so you can do all that kind of crazy. The next car is gonna be the 2021 Honda Accord. Yes, I know, the arch nemesis of the Camry, right? This guy actually met on a OC Bangers meet. I was cruising around, my son and my family, my wife and my son, and we were just cruising around, and decided to stop. Saw the Honda Accord there. I thought it was a really clean look. I know Yofer Designs have been working a lot into making a body kit for the Accord now, so he had it on, the new one, so I decided to stop by and say what's up, and yeah, did a little review, a little walkthrough. Not too much into interior wise, but you know, a little bit of the engine, a little bit of the design, Yofer Design, the body kit pretty much basically. So yeah, if you guys do want to see more videos on these type of things, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, fam. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that car review.
Jack it up.
How you doing, William? Miss Jenner, bro, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. How you doing?
Good, bro. So you got the new Yofer Design? You're saying for the 2021?
Yes, sir.
How was the customer service with them? Because I know they're not here in the States, right?
Yeah, but I mean, they're pretty good. You know?
Yeah, really good. No issues, everything? Everything tested fit good?
Yeah, everything fits.
Front and rear?
Yep.
I can see you're on bags too.
Yeah.
How do you...
Can't air out all the way because of the incline.
Okay. Oh, gotcha. Okay.
My lip sits on the fender, so normally.
That's
yeah,
good.
Yeah.
How about the riding? Is it good though?
Yeah, the riding's pretty good.
Yeah.
So.
You got the three...
The airlift 3P.
The 3P?
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right. How are the rims? What are the options on the rims?
That's a secret.
There's a secret. Oh, no. I can respect that. Because see, it takes time to actually reach, you know, like the proper level. That's crazy. Yeah, because a lot of people go through a lot of rims, a lot of, you know, just to make it. Because I see that fender over there, I'm like, oh damn.
Yeah, that's what we try to avoid, you know.
If we get this on here. How's the car so far? 2.0 turbo, right?
2.0, yeah.
Engine good so far?
Yeah.
No issues? Fast?
Yeah. Well, I'm already having a boost leak. I don't know why, but.
Oh really? Is it intake stock engine or?
No, I have an intake. I got a exhaust, front pipe, down pipe.
Down pipe, right? Okay, yeah. Backfire? No. Not yet. Not yet. No there.
No, I don't want to blow my turbo yet.
Alrighty, bro. So what about the spoiler? The spoiler, see, that's not from.
That's Yofer too.
Really? Yeah. Oh, same thing too.
Yeah,
oh wow.
Sent me the whole thing.
The whole thing, front lip, side skirt, and then diffuser as well. Oh wow, yeah, I never haven't seen the spoiler. That's the new thing. So you can definitely recommend for any Accord people out there to go to Yofer. and get this.
Yeah, actually go to custom tuning.
Custom tuning. Okay,
yeah,
gotcha.
CUZTOM tuning.
Yeah, I guess my fam out there, they know custom tuning. That's the one I'm working with. Okay, gotcha, bro.
He barely started picking up stuff for accords.
Yeah, because he was crazy about the Camry. Now he's doing accords.
So he sponsored this build. So he's, you know, we're trying to get a lot of stuff for him right now.
Yeah, he's gonna see this video. I'm gonna tag him on this. Yeah, for sure, bro. He's gonna know. Alright, so I see the S fabrication too. How's that liquid? Is it installed?
That honestly took me like 5 hours to install.
Really?
Yeah,
is it because of the new lip kit or? Alright, so you were saying that for the S fabrication it took you a while because you need to stand on it good and everything. So you definitely need a second person to do that.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Because I know a couple for the Camrys they've been doing this, and I feel like you do need like at least a couple, at least 2 or 3 persons to set the.
It helps always have a nice second hand.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
How's the turbo in this car? Good.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, performance-wise.
Oh yeah.
On the car is good.
I can take on things. If you want to race me, let me know.
All right. I like that. All right, guys. I guess we'll be seeing a race soon then.
Oh, no.
But you gotta be that low though.
I'll be high.
All right, brother. Thank you so much, William. Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah,
all right, man.
it,
All right, folks. So this has been the Honda Accord. It's a little preview review. The new Yofer Design for the 2021. Spoiler, lip kit, side skirt, and also the diffuser included. And then the offset on the wheels is a secret, he says. So we're gonna keep it a secret, right? Yeah. All right, guys. I tried. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys, like I said, if you guys want to see more videos like this, me going around car meets and just stopping by people and asking them, do a little review, a little talk about their car, their build, drop a comment down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, fam. I was not prepared fully on for this type of video, so I was in the dark too as well. I didn't bring my fully on equipment, but decided to make the best out of it. Anywho's, fam, like always, it's not just about the car, it's just auxiliary, fam. And remember, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, fam. It helps a lot. Peace out, guys. And don't forget to check my IG too, because we're doing some reels now. Something new that I'm trying on, and we might be creating a new IG page, so stay tuned for that, fam. Still a project on the works.